this is John from Brick Brothers Productions, and today I will be opening these Lego minifigs. So this is series 15, so let's get right opening. So we'll cut open the first one. And we got, ooh. Look at that. Oh, still got a cane. And then put him on the stand. So, this is how he looks like. It's pretty cool, Mr. Tumnus. Alright, so let's go on to the second pack. So this is the shark guy, I think. Pretty cool. I've been wanting this guy. So cool. Shark guy. It's probably my favorite out of all the minifigs that you can get. So on to the third pack. Let's see what we're gonna get. Astronauts. It's pretty cool. Oh, his head's on backwards. It's like little. Boom, you flip that up and down. And then he's also got like this little stick cane that you can put on his hand. And then we've also got like a little sign right there. So now we'll go and review every single one of them. So the first minifig that we will be reviewing is Mr. Tumnus from The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. He is half man, half goat. So on his head, he's got like this really cool hair piece. Since he's half goat, half man, he's got like horns growing out. He's got pointy ears and no double-sided face. And then on the torso, he's just got like his chest. And then he's just got like yellow arms and same thing on the back. And then he's got like this little flute right here. And then on his legs, like they like zigzag kind of like goat legs since he's half goat, half man. And it's got like fur marks, little hooves. So that's pretty cool. So now we'll move on to the second minifig. So this is my favorite minifig, the shark guy. So on the head, he's got like this shark kind of like costume. He's got like these eyes and gills. He's got the teeth, and he's got his little fins. And then he's got a double-sided face. One's a happy face, and the other one's a kind of worried face. So on the torso, he's just got like a regular like shark belly, and then he's got flippers as his arms. And then he's just got regular blue pants, same thing as the back. So now we'll move on to the third minifig. So here's the astronauts. So in his hand, he's holding a flag, which he'd put on like the moon or something. And he's got a helmet with like the glass piece, which can go up and down. And then he's got a face. There's not double-sided, it's just a one-sided face. And on the torso, it's got like he's like in a spacesuit. So it's got like all of the stuff that would probably be on a spacesuit. And then he's got some arm printings on each side. And on the back of the torso is his oxygen tank. And on his pants, he's got some more printing. And there's no printings on the back. So now we'll move on to the summary. So here is the list of all the minifigs. As we just opened, we got the astronaut, Mr. Tumnus, and the shark dude. And on the back, there's like these steps of like, because like this guy is like confusing because like all the parts he has on his body, and like the same thing for that dude. So there's like this little game. So like you enter in the code, and you can unlock a minifig. So now we'll move on to the summary. So this is my first pack opening of these minifigs. I'm probably going to do some more of these, but they're pretty fun opening them. And I got the one that I really wanted, the shark dude, that was the one that we just wanted. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want me to do more of these, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!